Hi everyone. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve Pinterest. You can't set dark mode. To know how to fix or how to solve, you can't set dark mode. You should just go to settings. Here in this page, we click apps, default apps, app settings. After that, you will enter to this window of Pinterest and you will enter. Then in this list of app info, you will click on force stop and you will click OK. Then we'll go to click storage. Here in this page, we click on clear cache and in the end you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.